Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an affiliate link on Gumroad. I would like for you to know that you cannot generate the link yourself if you want to promote products from other creators. So if you are the creator who want anybody to promote or sell your product, well, you can go ahead and create one, of course. First up, you need to go ahead and go to Gumroad, discover right here, and then find the specific creator. Let's say this creator right here. You can click on their profile and then find their channels and look for a way to contact them. You would need to ask the creator if they are open, or just basically explain how you plan to promote their product and to ask if they are open to an affiliate partnership. All right. So in the creator side, if they accept your offer, so for example, I am the creator, and then under gumroad.com/affiliates, you have add affiliate button. So all you got to do is just enter the person's name who asked to do an affiliate business from you. All right. As the creator, enter their email address. Let's say this one. And once done, enable all products, or basically select the products if you have multiple products. Say commission right here, 30 to 50%. Let's say 50. Click on add affiliate. So make sure that the person have a Gumroad account. So once you add an affiliate, for example, you'll be landed to this exact page. And now you have the affiliate listed right here, again, as a creator. If you are someone who wants to promote someone else's product, again, ask the creator for the affiliate link. So what the creator would do is go ahead and copy the link right here and send it to you. And you on the other side should go ahead and what? Go to affiliates right here, and then your specific link will be available right here as well, or your custom link. And that's basically it. That is how you create an affiliate link on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.